Aimbot invasion warning has been cancelled until further notice. According to a close source, Valve seems to be getting their shit together and starting to send warnings to the bot hosters to scare them away, and the aimbots on their own seem to have died down the past week. We thank you all for supporting the Save TF2 movement, and you are all awesome for that. We will be on watch for future updates as we are yet to get new information. This concludes our message. We may now resume our normal programming.